Hello there, Ken Stissel with CR Onsrud at our factory in North Carolina. Wanted to show you yet another automated system. We make them big too. This one machine is 8 foot by 32 feet. It's going to do composite panels in a fully automated line. The gantry will go grab a panel, load it, process it. When it's complete, it'll grab the next panel and in one pass offload and onload each panel. Let's take a closer look at some features on this machine. Here we have our servo-controlled dust hood. This allows you to use different length tooling and it will set the brushes to the height of the material. Here we have what we call our pusher sweeper. This hood comes down and it pushes the material, and at the same time it sucks chips and debris off of the table while pushing that panel off. Here at the back of the machine, we have these 4 suction cups. This is what grabs the material and allows the gantry to pull each sheet onto the machine automatically.